up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and we're in my room doing another video, and we're unboxing cards, and this is a $50 one. It's a Panini one, and it has 400 cards plus one Donruss Threads green card. And so we're going to open it. There you go. I'm going to get it. We still got to open up some more. So I'm going to open up this first. It has one card. Some of that stuff sticks on it. Alright. So there we go. We got a Carrion Johnson. It's a patch. Now getting on to the big box. Alright, so I'm kind of really excited for this. Where do you open it at? Right here. Literally, guys, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna have to wipe the box. Oh, it just opened. Goodness. Okay, so here it is. Starting from this side. I'm only going to be reviewing the good cards, like the rookies, because that's what everybody wants. A lot of card people just review, like, the bulk cards. We already got a rated rookie, another rated rookies. These are all rated rookies right now. And rookie. Let me straighten these up. Alright, I got them all into a pile. I think these are all rated rookies. I have no idea, but like, I'm not gonna be like showing you them. Yeah, these are all rated rookies. Wait, not all of them. I usually have the good cards like to the back. So hard. Bulk, Juju Smith. Got a Tom Brady. That's a pretty good card. We got bulk. Got a Cam Newton. Bulk. Look at all this bulk, guys. Look. That we don't need that. Right. Bulk. This is gonna be a long video. Bulk. Wait, Greg Olson. No. Bulk. Dak Prescott. QB. Bulk. Odell Beckham Jr. on Cleveland Browns. Nice. Bulk. So this is all bulk. We're gonna put that in our bulk pile. We got a lot of more cards to go. Oh, I think I see patch. I don't know. Is that a patch? I don't know. Alright. Bulk. Stephon Diggs. But he's not rated as a platinum. Sammy Watkins. Antonio Brown. TJ Watt. This is all bulk. Bulk. Travis Kelce. We'll take him, I guess. Well, no. It's fine. I just take like the ones that I know and like the ones that are like some of my favorite players. Wait, I just saw Marshawn Lynch. I'm going to save that to the end. Bulk, 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 bulk. No way. No way. We just hit a Patrick Mahomes. You kidding me right now? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's lucky. Bulk, 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 bulk. Bulk, 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 bulk. Marshawn Lynch. Here we go, guys. All right. Putting that into our bulk pile. Look at all this bulk. OMG. What if I just threw that on me? Or like, what if... See, guys, look. Look how much cards we got to go. OMG. Bulk, 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 bulk. I'm gonna have to find a bin. Here, no, I can put it all back in there. I'm getting kind of... Here, just hold on. Alright, I found a bin to put all of the bulk. So I can look through these. Like, whatever. Alright. TJ Watt! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go. Wait, no. Back up a little bit. Bulk. All of this is bulk that I'm throwing in this bin. Just so you know that. So I don't have to keep on saying stuff. Peyton Manning. Peyton Manning on the Cowboys. Oh my gosh, dude. Yo, I'm hitting all the good players. Yo, I'm like hitting all of this. So good. I'm going to show you the stack that I got with like rated rookies and good cards. Look at that. Right there. That's all rated rookies and good cards. Like, we're going to hit a lot of like rated rookies. Like all of that. This is probably going to be my best video that I've put on here. Because like, it's already 14 minutes long. Yeah. It's so... And I love doing this. Like, with you guys. This is so fun, and like showing you guys all the cards and all of that. Rookie classes. And I don't care, like, I'm on the rookie classes right now, and I don't care, like, if they're people I don't know. They're rated rookies, and they're still good cards. So. Yeet, 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 yeet. Yeet, 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 yeet. Alright, I'm gonna stop doing that. That's kind of annoying. I thought that was another Patrick Mahomes. Bulk, bulk, bulk. I thought that was the Peyton Manning on the Broncos. I went flip. Alright. Wait, hold on. There. Yes. Alright. Von Miller. Got a Von Miller. Deshaun Watson. Maybe. No. Another one there. Tom Brady with the long hair. Patrick Mahomes again. OMG. Look at all this bulk. All that bulk. Peyton Manning. 3 Peyton Mannings. Are you kidding? Whatever. Cam Newton. Let's go. DJ Watt. Let's go. Alright, the last bit of the cards. This is it. Baker Mayfield. Okay. Lamar Jackson. Travis Kelsey. Russell Wilson. TJ Watt. Major rookie. These are all rateds. Alright. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this, go down and hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell and share this with your friends and all of that. So, see you guys and peace out.